How to log in Amazon Prime Video account. For that, you have to open up your Google or your browser, any browser that you're comfortable with. I'm here with Google Chrome browser. And then on the search bar, search for Amazon Prime Video. And then here you will have the first option which says www.primevideo.com. Click on that and here it will take you to the website. So now to log into your Amazon Prime Video, what you have to do is click on Amazon Prime Video member. And then here you will have that sign in option. So if you have not created your account, then you will have a create your Amazon account on the bottom side. So if you have already created your account, then you just have to enter your email or your mobile number, and then you should enter your password, your Amazon Prime Video password. And then if you forgot your password, you have forgot your password option, you can click on that and then you can reset your password. And after entering all of your information, you can simply click on keep me signed in so that you will be signed in for further times. And after that, you have to just click on sign in and then you will be signed in or logged into your Amazon Prime Video account. So that's it guys, it was that easy, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.